Native jollof rice is an easy dish to assemble and worth making anytime. I'd love to show you how I made this. I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. So on my list I have my blended crayfish, roughly blended habanero, bell pepper and onion all together. I have my cooked pomo, salt, seasoning cube. This is my rice and I'll be parboiling this rice. Palm oil, chicken, and this chicken I fried it with palm oil so it will have that native taste. So in my pan I'll be adding in my palm oil and I'll heat this up a bit, and I'll be adding in my diced onion. We'll fry this till it is soft. So give this a quick stir and I'll add in my blended habanero, onion and some bell peppers. We're going to cook this on a low heat to avoid it burning. And I'll add in my fresh tomatoes and we'll cook this too. All this is being done on a low heat so it will not get burned. So I'll put in my crayfish, and I'll also be adding in my seasoning cube. Okay, please, if you have watched till now, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not done so. So I added in my salt and I'll be adding in my pomo. So don't be afraid to load your sauce with all these ingredients because the rice will absorb all the flavor from the sauce to create a tasty palm oil rice. I've added in my ginger powder and my chicken stock. You can also use water for this. So adjust the seasoning if necessary and we'll allow this to cook for a while before I'll be adding in my parboiled rice. See, when you are done with this, you will come back and thank me. Okay, so I'll be adding in my parboiled rice and we'll stir everything to combine. And I'm not going to be adding much water to it because the rice is parboiled already. So cover this and cook till soft, and I'll be adding in my scent leaf and my fried chicken. Give this a quick stir and it is done. This is my final look. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not subscribed, help me to share this video to your loved ones, and I will see you again in my next one. From me is bye bye.